All right, so this question comes up a lot about automating or making people not go into a sequence when they've already been through it, like not having them go through the sequence twice. So the way that you do this is it's not really a workaround. It's just about controlling tags, right? So um, Kajabi has some great automation built in, and the way that you use tags needs to be very strategic. All right, so you don't want to tag everything, but in this case, you want to control people who have already been through, let's say, the sequence A, and you don't want them to go through again. I'm using my demo account here, so you won't see any major stats here or anything like that. Just so in case you're wondering that who is this dude, and he doesn't even send any emails. What is he doing? Right, he's talking about, right? So I've been automating since 2012, so I know what I'm doing here. So I want to show you here what we do here. So let's go into this sequence, and they're going to come in with a subscription, however it is that you do it, right? Through an automation or an opt-in or something like that. And what's going to happen is you can put this in here and you go, I'm just going to do something that when, I don't know, form is submitted, I don't know if you want to go to a form here. Yeah, okay, so freebie form. Let's say that that's your lead magnet, right? Then you're going to put a condition in here. And you're going to say, okay, well, put everybody who fills this form into this sequence, but we don't want people who does not have any of these tags, right? And that's where I put the controlling tag. And I say completed sequence A. So apply, right? I'm going to apply this. So that means that anybody who submits this form comes in here unless they have this completed sequence tag, right? So that's the trigger to come in, all right? And then at the end of this, when, no, I'm sorry, not here. Let me back out of here. It's going to be in settings. So actually when they finish this, so now let's pretend that the person does not have that tag, right? They go through and they get the emails. Now you want to tag them on the way out. So what you do is you go into settings. Come on there. Let's go, computer. It's always when I'm recording. It does. There we go. Okay, so then on the end of this, right, you've got an automation right here, and you're going to say when they unsubscribe from this sequence right here. Oops. Then add a tag. I'm sorry. It was already in there. Then add a tag. So right here it says when this email sequence is completed, right, add a tag, completed sequence A, and save. And there you go. So that automation is all set up for anybody who goes is forwarded to this sequence, and if they've got that completed tag, they ain't going through it again. So hopefully that helps you out.